Once, in a dense, dark forest, lived a tiny firefly named Spark. Every evening, Spark would illuminate the forest with her soft, golden glow. But one day, she noticed her light was fading. "What's happening to me?" Spark wondered, as her once bright light began to dim. She felt lost, with no idea how to regain her radiance. A wise old owl named Whisper, who lived in a nearby tree, noticed Spark's struggle. "Why do you look so glum, dear firefly?" he asked one day. "I used to glow so brightly, but now my light is fading," Spark replied, her voice trembling. Whisper pondered for a moment before speaking. "Sometimes, even the brightest stars need to rest. Your light is not gone, it's just taking a break." Intrigued, Spark returned to her home and thought about Whisper's words. She decided to take a break and rest during the day. As the days passed, she noticed her light slowly returning, growing brighter with each passing night. One evening, Spark's glow was more radiant than ever before. She illuminated the forest with her light, bringing cheer to all the creatures who lived there. "Thank you, Whisper," Spark said gratefully. "I learned that even when we feel our light is dimming, taking a break and caring for ourselves can help us shine brighter than ever." And so, the forest was once again filled with light, and Spark continued to illuminate the lives of all who lived there, always remembering the importance of rest and self-care. Moral asterisk: taking time to rest and care for oneself is essential for continued growth and success, allowing us to shine even brighter in the darkest of times.